What a bad day it was. Next exams was bad.
Hello, James. How was the exams?
You've been doing well in your exams lately. What's your secret?
Come inside, let me show you my secret.
Kuulchat.com. Wow, that's your secret. Oh, nice.
It's an online education resource portal offering many services. I usually solve past questions and take some online courses. My favorite course is web design.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Let's see the July 2018 WASI mathematics. When your answer is wrong, it gives you the correct answer and even give you the option to see the solved solution.
Wow, that's nice.
You can even solve the theory questions and compare your answers to their solution.
That's cool, like your name, Kuulchat.
Let me show you my favorite course, web design. On the web design course, you can even chat with an instructor. Courses are broken down for you weekly to follow. You can even watch the tutorial video while following the material for that week. And the most exciting part is that they have the list of all the private and public campuses. And lastly but not the least, they have online shop for parents to purchase for their wards in the boarding schools. I was even about to shop for my cousin Alaboni. To top it off, it is a free online page supported by donations.
At Kuulchat.com, your academic excellence is our priority.